Hi, I am Shreyash Devalkar. In this video, let's delve into Axis Midcap Fund and understand its offering better. The Axis Midcap Fund is an open-ended equity scheme that primarily invests in midcap stocks. Our approach focuses on bottom-up stock investing that have the potential to grow cash flows over the medium term, and we seek businesses with economic moats and distinct competitive advantages. We target quality midcap companies to create an actively managed diversified portfolio. Currently, the scheme allocates about 70% to midcap, 20% to large cap, and about 4% to small caps. The fund stands to benefit from turnaround in capex cycle and revival in government spending. Key enablers include deleveraged corporate balance sheets, healthy profitability, rising domestic demand, and increasing capacity utilization. Accordingly, we maintain an overweight position in infrastructure, manufacturing, utilities, and transport sector, with a preference for holding in areas which are benefiting from government policies such as energy, defense, and power. We are underweight on export sector due to decline in global economic growth. Looking ahead, we expect good monsoon, lower inflation, and festive season to drive rising consumption, especially in rural areas, thanks to increased capex and job creation. The premiumization theme continues to benefit various segments within consumer discretionary. Mid-cap and small-cap segments have seen sharp rally this year, with valuations surpassing pre-COVID levels and premiums over large-cap companies. Mid and small-cap space has more representation of B2B companies having exposure to investment and export part of economy. At Axis Mutual Fund, we adhere to an asset allocation approach based on investor goals, investment horizon, and risk profile with a long-term view. Despite current market overvaluations in investment part of the economy and normalization of valuation in some other segments, India remains one of the fastest growing economies globally. Strong macroeconomic factors such as easing inflation, favorable monsoon progress, and robust economic growth, long-term investors, especially in mid-caps, can stay invested.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.